हेलो एवरीबॉडी एंड वेलकम टू माय ई लेसन। मैं हूं आपका गुरु। आई एम सॉरी, दिस इज योर गुरु एंड टुडे आई एम गोना टेल यू हाउ टू पासवर्ड प्रोटेक्ट Excel file, and this video would be containing a lot of details. I will be telling you how to protect a workbook, how to protect the workbook structure, and how to protect the uh, workbook window structure, and then how to protect the worksheet so that nobody can edit the data. And lastly, and one of the most important things, I would also tell you how to enter a password so that nobody can even open the Excel file. All right, so let's begin with part one, which is protecting the workbook structure. Now, what is workbook structure? Now, workbook structure includes inserting new worksheets, moving the worksheets around, copying the worksheets, deleting the worksheet, hiding the worksheet, renaming the worksheets, and viewing hidden worksheets. So if I allow workbook protection on workbook structure, then none of these things can be done. Let us see how that can be done. All right. To do that, we need to go to the Review tab and click on Protect Workbook, and then protect Windows structure and Windows. So I keep the option structure is already checked, so I'll keep it checked and I will enter the password. The password, as is written here, is my e-lesson. My e-lesson. Do not forget to write down the password somewhere, because these passwords, once lost, are very, very difficult or almost impossible to recover. You have to re-enter the password. The password, once again, is my e-lesson. And now the Windows workbook structure is protected. How? Let us see an example. Let me right click this and see the option to insert, delete, rename, move or copy, tab color, hide, unhide is all gone. I can also not insert a new sheet by clicking here or by pressing Shift F11. See, nothing happens. However, if I remove the password protection, then this can be done. To remove the password protection, I clicked on Protect Workbook and on the Protect Structure in Windows, and this dialog box open wherein I would enter the password again. And now see, clicking here enables me to enter a new worksheet. Also, if I right click it, all these options are now available again to me. And now we'll come to workbooks window structure. Now to do that, let us see this option first. You see, this is a minimize tab, a maximize tab, and a close tab button. All right, and you see the same over here also. Even if you double click it, you can actually drag it around. Let us do that. See, you see this? Now let me restore it. We can even stop this from happening. Alright, what we can control is the size of the window, moving the workbook window, and change the position of the workbook window or close the workbook window. Now if I protect the Windows structure, then now we would not be able to do these things. Now you have to understand that workbook structure and Windows structure are two different things. What we did earlier was workbook structure. Now this is Windows structure that we are talking about. The password again is my e-lesson. I'm trying to restrict the Windows structure. Now see, the immediate changes, the minimize, maximize, and the close icons have gone from here. I cannot move it around. I cannot make those changes as mentioned over here. I can't even say. Let us see. I can close the workbook and let me reopen it again. It is taking some time. What is wrong with it? Yes, here it comes. Windows Explorer is not responding. Let us thank Mr. Gates for this. I believe I have one more way of going about it. Open Excel. And Khulja Simsim, that's a word that is used pretty much in India. Khulja Simsim. What it means that what this is what leave it alone. Let's leave it. And the file is open. All right, so now we are opening the file again, and let us see what happens now. See, the view is changed. Remember, this was the file we were working on. Let me enable this content. So this now file. This file cannot be resized, this workbook. You see, it is inside over here. So let us unprotect it and move on to better and important things. So let us remove this protection. The password once again is my listen. Now coming to very important stuff, which is protecting the worksheet so that nobody can edit data or can only edit selected data. For example, I want that you have some data like this itself, say, and you would like that somebody should be able to enter data only over here. And the second option that, or let's say the first option, nobody should be able to enter any data in this workbook. Alright, so let's cover that. To do that, we have to click on Protect Sheet, enter a password here, my lesson. Okay, password once again, my lesson. Now this is fun. And now let us try to enter something. What did it say? The cells or chart that you're trying to change is protected and therefore read only. That means we cannot edit it. Now, if we want to edit it, then what do we need to do? Now, first of all, how to unprotect it? Simply click here, enter the password once again. The magic word is my lesson. Now, if I want to only make this section editable for anyone, how do I do that? So for that, I choose this. I click on home and then I click on this arrow, either this one or this one. I click on this arrow and I choose protection. The system is running very slow. There is some problem. Yes, I choose protection and I unchecked the logged option. Now, just for your knowledge, every cell is automatically logged in Excel. Now, to make them editable, you have to actually unlock them. Now, I selected the cells wherein I selected the range wherein which I wanted to make editable. So then I clicked here, and when the dialog box opened, I chose protection and I unchecked the locked option. Now this range is editable. See, as simple as that. And now coming to the last option, which is password protecting the workbook itself so that nobody can even open it without a password. For that, you have to click on this office button, go to prepare and click on encrypt document. I have already encrypted mine, so it will ask you to enter a password. So I have already entered the password, which is again my e-lesson, and click OK. You would be prompted to re-enter the password again, and then the file would be password protected even for opening. Alright, I hope you liked this video. My apologies for this slow system. I'll ensure that it will not happen in the next videos. And if you want to download this Excel file shown in this video, all you have to do is just go to myelesson.org and download the file from there. Alright, until the next video, now this is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning.